Hi everyone, it's Dan from Scale-Tec, and I'd like to talk to you about an exciting new feature that has been added to REAP for the 2026 harvest season. Post-calibration allows you to automatically correct loads that were previously recorded with an incorrectly calibrated grain cart scale. Have you ever finished harvest and realized that your grain cart was off by 5% the entire time? With REAP's post-calibration feature, you can fix every one of those loads in just a few clicks. Let me show you exactly how it works. Here I am in my REAP account. I'll start on the Fields tab and open this field, Highway 64. In this field, I've recorded several loads. Most are from Cart 2, but a few are from Cart 1. Now here's the issue. Throughout the season, Cart 2 wasn't calibrated correctly. You can see the calibration number started at 31,890. And later I adjusted it down to 27,650. I know the cart read too heavy for the early loads and too light for the later ones. The correct cal number for Cart 2 is probably somewhere in between. Cart 1, on the other hand, was within 0.5% of the elevator scale, so I'm going to leave those loads alone. Later in the season, I finally dialed in Cart 2. At that point, it was also within 0.5% of the certified scale. That's exactly what makes this a perfect scenario for post-calibration. To fix this, I'll go to the Carts tab and open Cart 2. Here I can see every load recorded by this cart throughout the season. At the top, you'll see the Post-Calibrate button. When I click that, REAP shows me exactly how many tickets are eligible to be updated. Only loads recorded by this cart are included. Any loads that have been created manually or edited are excluded, so your data stays protected. Now REAP is asking for the correct calibration number. Since I trust how the cart was weighing at the end of the season, I'll use that value. To find it, I'll open the REAP mobile app, connect to Cart 2, and go to the Scale Calibration section. Here I can see the final calibration number is 29,000. Because I've already verified this against the elevator scale, I can confidently use it to correct all the earlier loads. Back to the REAP web app, I'll enter 29,000 and click Proceed. The page may take a moment to update. Now you can see all of the calibration values have been corrected and the wet weights have been adjusted proportionally. If I go back to the field view, those same corrections are reflected here. All Cart 2 loads are now accurate, and loads from other carts remain unchanged. These updates also carry through to any destinations those loads were assigned to. If I open one of these loads, you'll notice REAP keeps a full record of the post-calibration. You can see the original weight, the original calibration, and when the correction was made. What would have taken hours of manual edits is now fixed in seconds, with complete traceability. Post-calibration gives you confidence in your data, even if your calibration wasn't perfect during harvest. If you have any questions or need help with your scale, give us a call at 888-962-2344. Thanks for choosing Scale-Tec.